Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Wasay here, and today in this video I am going to show you how you can backup your iPhone using your MacBook as I am doing right now. So let's begin the video. In order to backup your iPhone using your MacBook, you're going to need the following things. First of all, your iPhone, which you need to backup. Secondly, your Mac or MacBook, which should have enough storage. And lastly, a cable to connect your iPhone with your MacBook. I recommend using Apple's genuine cables that come with the iPhone because these are the best. You don't want your data backup to be interrupted midway. Anyways, the first thing that you're going to do is to connect one end of the cable with your MacBook and the other end will be connected with your iPhone. Once it is connected, we are going to unlock our iPhone and now we are going to open our MacBook. Now on your MacBook, first of all you are going to open Finder. We are going to click on our iPhone name. If it is not showing here, make sure that you have connected it correctly, and for the very first time your iPhone may ask you to enter your lock screen passcode, so enter that and allow it. Since I have already connected it, it is not asking me again. Now we are going to click on our iPhone name. You can see 248 GB and 15.14 GB is available. So you need to make sure your Mac has enough storage to backup the iPhone. Here you will see the backup section. So you have two options: backup most important data on your iPhone to iCloud, or backup all of the data on your iPhone to this Mac, which means that we will copy the data and backup on the Mac. So we will select this option, and then it is asking if you want to encrypt local backup. So this is a very useful option, so that for some reason if someone gets access to your backed up data, they need to enter a password first in order to view or restore it. So we are going to select this option. You are going to set a password and remember this password, because if you forget it, you cannot recover or restore your own data. After that, click on set password, and now we are going to click on apply, and your iPhone will ask you to enter the iPhone lock screen passcode. I'm going to enter right now, and once it's done, you can see on the MacBook it's showing backing up iPhone. So now we're going to wait until the backup is completed. We're going to re-enter our passcode and the backup process has begun. So do not power off your Mac and make sure it has enough juice, else connect it with a power supply. And we're going to leave our iPhone and we're not going to use while the backup is being done. So now the backup will take some time depending on how much data we have. So we're going to leave our Mac and iPhone as it is. Your iPhone can power off the screen or lock itself, it doesn't matter, you don't need to use it. And make sure your Mac is not locked and it has full power. So I will come back once the backup is completed. So after around an hour, my iPhone has been backed up. And when you are backing up or first time connecting your iPhone, if it asks you to update the iOS of your iPhone, you can also skip that. Now how can we verify that our iPhone data is actually backed up on our MacBook? First of all, you are going to scroll down. Last backup to this Mac, and it is showing today at 3:33 p.m. and currently it is 3:42, so it has completed the backup around 10 minutes ago. The other way is using Finder, so we are going to minimize it. Make sure you see Finder here. If you don't see it, open Finder, then click on go to folder. So here is the command that we need to enter. You can pause the video and copy this command. We're going to paste it right here and click on enter. Inside backup, you will see some folder like this, and this folder is the folder that contains your backup that you just made using your iPhone. If I press on space, it will calculate the size, and you can see the backup size is around 132.91 GB. It is small because when the iPhone backs up, it compresses the files, and if I open it, I see these small files, which means that my iPhone has been backed up to this Mac. And also you can double tap on it and click on get info. You will see the same things. but you can see the creation date, which is today, and modified date is also today. So it means our iPhone data has been backed up on our MacBook. Now in the future, if you want to restore your backup to this phone or any other phone, you're going to do the same thing. Click on your phone name once it is connected, and now you're going to click on the restore iPhone button, so it will copy your backed up data and restore it or put it back on your iPhone. So yeah guys, this is how you can backup your iPhone on your MacBook. If you guys liked this video, make sure to like it. If you have any other questions regarding this video, write them in the comments section below, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe